Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Let go of all tension. Now imagine yourself already living the life you desire. See it vividly. Feel the joy, the confidence, the certainty. What if I told you that everything you want is already within your reach? That the only thing standing between you and your dream is not effort, not struggle, but your ability to relax and believe. Manifestation does not come through force, it comes through alignment. When your mind is calm and your belief is unwavering, the universe responds. Today, I'm going to show you how relaxation is the key to attracting anything you desire. Imagination creates reality. Your mind is the most powerful tool you possess, shaping your life in ways you may not even realize. Every thought, every mental picture, and every belief you hold acts as a seed planted in the fertile soil of reality. When you vividly imagine something with full conviction, your subconscious mind begins working to bring it into existence. Think of your imagination as a bridge between your current life and the life you desire. What you focus on internally will eventually manifest externally. If you constantly dwell on limitations, fears, and doubts, your world will reflect those very things. But if you train yourself to see only possibilities, abundance, and success, you will start attracting them effortlessly. The key to making this process work is belief. It's not enough to simply daydream about what you want. You must fully accept it as a reality in your mind. When you close your eyes and see yourself living your dream, when you feel the emotions as if it's already happening, you are creating the blueprint that the universe follows. Throughout history, great visionaries, inventors, and leaders have all understood this principle, whether they spoke about it openly or not. They saw their success before it ever materialized. They imagined the impossible and, through unwavering belief, brought it into existence. But here's the secret. You don't need extraordinary talent or resources to manifest your desires. You only need the ability to relax, trust, and persist in your vision. The moment you stop forcing and start believing, your imagination will become the architect of your future. Reality has no choice but to conform to the dominant pictures you hold in your mind. The state of relaxation unlocks manifestation. Most people believe that success requires constant effort, struggle, and sacrifice. They push themselves relentlessly, believing that if they work harder and do more, they will finally reach their goals. But in reality, the most powerful tool for manifestation is not force, it's relaxation. When you relax, your mind enters a state of deep receptivity. It is in this state that your thoughts become magnetic, drawing your desires toward you. This is not about sitting back and doing nothing. It's about removing resistance. Stress, anxiety, and overthinking block the very things you're trying to attract. When your mind is calm, your energy flows freely, allowing your desires to manifest effortlessly. Imagine a lake with turbulent waves. When the water is disturbed, it cannot clearly reflect the sky above. But when the water is still, it becomes a perfect mirror. Your mind works the same way. A restless, anxious mind distorts the signals you send out into the world, while a relaxed mind creates clarity and alignment. The key is to release the need to control every step of the process. Instead of worrying about how something will happen, trust that it is already in motion. Let go of doubt. Let go of frustration. Instead of chasing your desires, become a magnet for them by embodying the feeling of already having what you seek. This is why some people seem to have everything effortlessly fall into place for them. They are in a state of flow. They trust, they believe, and they remain calm. Their energy is aligned with their desires, and as a result, those desires manifest naturally. The moment you relax, you stop resisting what is meant for you, the opportunities, the right people, and the perfect circumstances begin to appear as if by magic. But it's not magic, it's the power of being in harmony with what you desire. So, if you want to manifest anything in your life, start by relaxing. The universe responds best to a mind that is calm, open, and ready to receive. Live in the end result. One of the greatest secrets to manifestation is learning how to live in the end result. Instead of wishing for something to happen, you must assume with complete certainty that it has already happened. The key is not to hope, not to wait, but to embody the feeling of already having what you desire. When you do this, reality has no choice but to align with your assumption. Think about this. Every great achievement, invention, or breakthrough started as a vision in someone's mind. The people who accomplish the impossible are not those who doubt or hesitate. They are the ones who step into the desired reality before the world can see it. They don't just dream of success, they feel it, they live it, they become it. When you live in the end result, you eliminate doubt. Doubt is the number one thing that stops manifestation from working. If you constantly question whether something will happen, you send mixed signals to your subconscious mind. And when your mind is conflicted, your external world remains uncertain. But when you commit fully, when you live as if your dream is already a fact, you create an unshakable energy that draws everything you need toward you. The power of assumption is real. If you walk through life believing that you are already successful, already confident, already the person you aspire to be, your actions will begin to reflect that belief. You will start making decisions from a place of certainty rather than fear, and when your mindset changes, so does your reality. This is not about pretending or faking confidence. It's about feeling the truth of your desires as if they are already yours. Imagine the version of yourself who has already achieved what you want. How do they think? How do they act? What do they believe about life? When you align with that version of yourself, you unlock the doors to that reality. Some people call this faith, others call it confidence, but at its core, it's about knowing deep within yourself that what you seek is already yours. When you close your eyes at night, don't see yourself as someone who is hoping for change. See yourself as someone who has already arrived. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the certainty. Living in the end result doesn't mean ignoring the present moment. It means bringing the emotions of your desired future into the now. When you do this, you are no longer chasing your dreams. Instead, you are aligning with them. And when alignment happens, manifestation follows effortlessly. So, the next time you think about your goals, don't place them in the future. Bring them into the present. Walk with the confidence of someone who has already won. Speak with the certainty of someone who knows their success is inevitable. And most importantly, feel the emotions of fulfillment now. Because the moment you live in the end result, the universe begins rearranging itself to make it your reality. Your feelings shape your reality. Manifestation is not just about what you think, it's about what you feel. Your emotions are the energy that shapes your reality. If you feel abundant, you attract abundance. If you feel confident, you attract opportunities. But if you constantly feel doubt, fear, or lack, you unknowingly push your desires away. The way you feel on a daily basis determines the experiences you attract into your life. This is why two people in the same situation can have completely different outcomes, because their internal states are different. One person may face a challenge and feel excitement, seeing it as an opportunity for growth, while another may feel overwhelmed and defeated. The person who remains optimistic and aligned with success will naturally draw favorable circumstances, while the one who focuses on fear and limitation will create more obstacles. Think of your emotions as a signal you send to the universe. If you constantly radiate worry, stress, or frustration, you are reinforcing those experiences. But when you shift into emotions of joy, peace, and confidence, you create an energetic field that attracts more of what you desire. This is not just a philosophical idea. It is a fundamental truth of how energy works. To understand the power of feelings in manifestation, consider how your emotions influence your daily life. When you wake up feeling excited and inspired, your entire day flows differently. You make decisions with confidence. You notice opportunities that you may have otherwise overlooked, and you naturally attract positive interactions. But if you wake up feeling stressed and doubtful, your energy will create resistance, making even small tasks feel difficult. This is why people who seem to have it all continue to attract success, while those who dwell on negativity struggle to move forward. Their internal emotional state dictates their external experiences. The secret is not in luck or external circumstances. It is in the feelings they choose to cultivate. So how do you shift your emotions to align with what you want? The first step is awareness. Pay attention to how you feel throughout the day. Notice the thoughts that trigger certain emotions. If you find yourself feeling anxious or doubtful, don't fight it, simply acknowledge it and shift your focus. One powerful way to do this is through gratitude. Gratitude instantly raises your emotional vibration and shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. When you deeply appreciate what you already have, you create space for even more blessings to flow into your life. Instead of worrying about what is missing, start feeling thankful for what is already present. Visualization is another powerful tool. When you close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life, don't just see the images, feel the emotions. If you desire financial success, imagine the feeling of security, freedom, and excitement that comes with it. If you want love, feel the warmth, connection, and happiness as if it is already a reality. Your subconscious mind does not distinguish between real and imagined experiences. The more you feel your desired reality, the faster it manifests. Another important practice is emotional regulation. When challenges arise, instead of reacting with frustration or fear, practice staying calm. Take deep breaths. Remind yourself that everything is unfolding perfectly and choose to trust the process. The more you train yourself to remain centered in positive emotions, the more control you gain over your reality. Your body also plays a role in shaping your emotional state. Movement, breathwork, and even posture can influence how you feel. When you move with confidence, breathe deeply, and carry yourself with certainty, your emotions naturally shift to match that energy. This is why activities like meditation, yoga, and exercise can be so powerful in helping you align with the right emotions. Many people believe they need to see external proof before they allow themselves to feel happiness, confidence, or success. But the truth is the opposite. You must feel these emotions first, and then reality will reflect them. You don't wait for the world to give you reasons to feel good. You create the feeling and the world follows. This is why relaxation is so important in manifestation. A tense, anxious mind cannot hold a feeling of certainty. But when you relax, you allow positive emotions to flow naturally. Gratitude, joy, and confidence become your dominant state, and your reality begins to reflect that. Imagine for a moment that everything you want is already yours. How would you feel? Would you feel relief, excitement, deep satisfaction? Hold on to that feeling. Make it your new normal. Instead of focusing on the gap between where you are and where you want to be, live in the emotional state of already having it. This shift in emotional energy is what separates those who struggle from those who manifest effortlessly. The people who succeed are not necessarily the most talented, the most educated, or the most connected. They are the ones who have mastered their emotional state. They know how to maintain a feeling of certainty, even when external circumstances have not yet caught up. You have the power to do the same. Start right now. Close your eyes and feel the emotions of your desired reality. Let go of doubt, let go of stress, and embrace the feeling of already having what you desire. The more you do this, the more the universe will align to make it a reality. Let go and allow your desires to flow. One of the greatest barriers to manifestation is resistance. Many people unknowingly block their desires by trying too hard, worrying too much, and doubting whether things will happen. The truth is, the more you chase after something with a sense of desperation, the more you push it away. Manifestation is not about forcing, it is about allowing. Imagine holding a handful of sand. If you grip it too tightly, it slips through your fingers, but if you hold it gently, it stays in your hand. The same principle applies to your desires. When you relax and trust that what you seek is already on its way, you create an open channel for it to flow into your life. Letting go does not mean giving up. It means releasing the need to control how and when your desires will manifest. It means trusting the process and knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if you cannot see the full picture yet. One of the main reasons people struggle with letting go is fear. They fear that if they stop obsessing over their desires, they will never come true. But this mindset creates resistance. When you constantly check, worry, or doubt, you are sending a signal that you do not fully believe in the manifestation. And when you do not believe, you block the very thing you desire from reaching you. To understand the power of letting go, think about a time when something amazing happened effortlessly. Maybe you met the right person at the perfect moment, or an opportunity came to you unexpectedly. These moments happen when you are in a state of flow, when you are not forcing, but allowing. The best way to let go is to focus on feeling good in the present moment. Instead of stressing about the future, cultivate a sense of peace and trust right now. When you feel good, you align with the energy of your desires and they come to you naturally. Meditation is a powerful tool to help with this. When you meditate, you quiet the mind, release resistance, and connect with the deeper knowing that everything is already working in your favor. Even just a few minutes of meditation each day can shift your energy from fear to faith, from struggle to ease. Another way to practice letting go is through surrender. Surrender does not mean giving up on your dreams. It means trusting that the universe is handling the details. It means knowing that you do not have to figure everything out on your own. When you surrender, you step into a state of ease, and ease is where manifestation happens effortlessly. Think about how nature works. A tree does not struggle to grow. A river does not force itself to flow. Everything in nature operates with perfect timing and harmony. You are no different. When you stop resisting and start trusting, your life unfolds with the same effortless grace. Letting go also means detaching from the outcome. When you are too attached to a specific result, you create anxiety and pressure. But when you trust that everything is happening for your highest good, you free yourself from worry. You become open to receiving in ways you may not have even imagined. Many people believe they need to struggle, fight, or prove themselves before they can receive what they want. But the truth is, manifestation happens with ease when you allow it. Struggle comes from resistance. Ease comes from trust. When you relax, you make space for miracles to enter your life. So, start practicing the art of letting go today. Release the doubts, the worries, and the need to control. Trust that what you desire is already yours and let it come to you naturally. When you do this, you will find that manifestation is not about forcing, it is about allowing. And when you allow, everything you desire flows effortlessly into your life